how to cancel app subscriptions on iPhone. So it's real easy to go through your subscriptions and being able to cancel them or cancel the subscriptions. It's important to know that you'll be able to use the service until the next billing cycle, and it just won't bill you for that next cycle. So go ahead and find your settings, and we're going to click on your name at the very top, and you just want to go into where it says subscriptions. So from here, it's really easy to see your inactive and active subscriptions. So all you really need to do is go ahead and click one, and you'll get an option for cancel your subscription. It will tell you what you want to do. It will not bill you for the next cycle, but you'll be able to use it for the end of the cycle. And you can just go through here on all of your lists and cancel any of the subscriptions that you have. It's really easy to do, and that's it. It's very simplistic to cancel your app subscriptions, and remember, you'll be able to use the service until the end of that cycle, and then it will just stop billing you from that point forward.